Good morning, everybody. This is Karen Lawrence. Alright guys, I'm not sure what these male birds are doing. Maybe they're interested in mating. Making this very odd noise. So it looks like we've got 3 males right here. I'm assuming they're male because they're larger. Of course, that's not always the case with a lot of animals in the wild. Even birds, such as owls and stuff like that, sometimes the females are bigger. Or same with eagles, bald eagles. So I wonder if this is like a mating signal or something. And we're looking at, let's count, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ducks right here. These are Muscovies. And what's interesting, and I'm not sure why, they all have different coloring. Look at this, purple and greens. Isn't that gorgeous? Hello. And they have, I think it's called carbuncle, the skin around the face. Very interesting. And we are signing off live. Whew. Look at these guys. They're like, yeah, we're going to hang out on our own. Could be like 2 bachelors and a female. Oh, gosh. Yeah, it must be a mating thing. Unbelievable. Woo! All right, we're signing off. Have a great day.